Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal for LinkedIn service subscriptions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Select the account type that best suits your needs. For most LinkedIn service subscriptions, choose personal account. Click on the continue button to proceed. Fill in the required personal information, including your email address and a secure password. Click Next to move to the next step. Provide your first and last name as well as your address. Enter your phone number and click Next. Choose whether to link a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. If you opt to link a bank account, follow the instructions to provide the necessary details. If you prefer to use a credit card, enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Complete the setup by clicking Agree and Create Account. You may need to verify your email address by checking your email inbox for a confirmation email from PayPal. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section to manage your linked payment methods. Ensure that your payment method is correctly linked to your PayPal account. Now, go to LinkedIn and log in to your account. Access the LinkedIn Premium subscription page. Select the subscription plan that you wish to purchase. Choose PayPal as your payment method during the checkout process. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to complete the transaction. Confirm the payment details and click Pay Now. Once the payment is successful, you will return to LinkedIn. Your premium subscription should now be activated. You are ready to take advantage of LinkedIn's premium features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.